Hi, my name is Anthony Barocas with IEBA Communications, and I want to show you a quick tip for backing up your footage while you're on location, whether it be a hotel or a conference or on the set, and you get a camera card or you're dealing with some Atmos footage and you get the hard drive. You need to back this up to a client hard drive or a backup hard drive and then make this available for recording again. What I use is RAW4 Pro, which includes Backup Champion. Now, what is Backup Champion? Backup Champion is the easiest way that I've found to back up my footage. It's a couple finger taps on a window screen and away the footage goes. So this way, somebody hands me this and I have to make 2 different copies, I can do that.
So I'm in here, client, I've got a backup drive for me, client gives me a drive, we want to back up a card from the camera. So we click on RAW4 Pro, which will automatically now go into the Backup Champion. Here's all my media. I say, here's my Samsung card, that's my source. I wanted to go to the Seagate, that's target 1. I want to go to the HDST, set target 2, and go. That's how simple it is.
Backup Champion also does a great job of saving the date, the time, and media information. It copies the entire folder structure, which is especially important if you're recording in a format that saves a lot of metadata in different places. You need to copy the whole card, and that's another thing that Backup Champion does. And best of all, Backup Champion is just one aspect of the RAW4 Pro app, because if you're shooting time-lapse sequences, if you're shooting RAW, if you're shooting Cinema DNG, and you want to make a quick ProRes or DNxHD or Cineform, you want to make a quick copy of that in a format that the client can see, you can use RAW4 Pro to do that. Now, RAW4 Pro comes in a couple different versions. There's the solo version, works on 1 computer. There's the duo version, works on 2 computers. Also, there's a 3-day and a 30-day rental. Both of these rental prices means that the machine that you're using has to be able to access the internet to verify the serial number every time you launch it. Then, after your 3 days or 30 days are up, it'll expire. With the solo and duo options, you need an internet connection to verify it, just to register it. After that, you're good. You could be in the field, you can be somewhere where there's no internet connection at all, and you can still use the application and it never expires.
I've got my WinBook here. You can get a WinBook for under $100. I have a powered USB hub here that has a USB 3 reader and then 2 USB 3 hard drives. You're not going to find a tablet that's going to power multiple drives and readers at the same time. You have to go to a full-fledged laptop for that. And if you want to do that, then this is, you could still use the software, but realistically, I'm looking at something that's small, light, and inexpensive that you can throw into your camera bag and leave there. The hub is under 20 bucks. The tablet can be had, the 8-inch version of the tablet can be had for under 100. This is the 10-inch tablet because I also use it for doing email, for web browsing, and I find that a little easier.
Now, I've spoken with the people at RAW4 Pro, and I think this is a great product, and I want more people to get it. So they have put together a special pricing just for me. If you follow this link at the bottom and type in this code, you can get a discount on the price, and you can step up to using RAW4 Pro and Backup Champion for your media.